Welcome! Today we'll identify the most common listing errors that you encounter and provide you with practical solutions to help fix them efficiently. Let's start by going over the 3 most common issues that you'll face while creating listings. First, missing or incorrect required attributes. Such issues can occur when you accidentally omit a required attribute, duplicate ASINs for the same product, or enter an incorrect brand name or barcode. Second, incorrect browse nodes. If your product is listed in incorrect browse nodes, it prevents your customers from finding it in search results. A browse node is a hierarchical path of categories and subcategories that helps customers navigate products on Amazon. For example, a browse node for a women's one-piece swimsuit might appear as Women, Clothing, Maternity, Swim, One Pieces. Keep in mind that browse nodes may vary across different Amazon stores, even for the same products. Third, improper parent-child ASINs. A parent ASIN represents your main product, like a shirt, while child ASINs are all its variations, like the same shirt in different colors and sizes. Please remember, you should avoid including information about your price and quantity in your parent ASIN, as customers must select a specific color and size variation before purchasing. All these issues typically happen when you're using an outdated template, a template designed for a different product type, or one intended for use in another country. To prevent these common listing issues, we recommend using the latest Amazon template from your Seller Central account that matches your product types. You can go to your Seller Central menu, hover over Catalog, click Add Products, and select the Spreadsheet tab. Then click Download Blank Templates to choose the right template. You can download a template for products already listed on Amazon or for similar products not yet listed. Be sure to download the correct template for your store and product type. After completing your template with accurate product information, you can return to the Spreadsheet page in Seller Central, click on Upload File, and upload your completed spreadsheet. To review any missing or invalid information, download the uploaded template from Check Upload Status on the same page and click Download Processing Summary. At the top of the processing report, you'll find the number of listings processed successfully and those that were not. Filter the Error Type column in the report to view only error messages. Review the Data Definitions tab for detailed attribute requirements and check the Valid Values tab for acceptable entries. Once you've resolved the error messages, simply upload your revised file through Seller Central. Besides the common issues we mentioned, poor image quality or incorrect image formats can cause listing errors. Here are some top tips for your main product image quality. Use a pure white background, fill your product to 85% of the frame, and keep it clean without additional text, logos, or watermarks. Above all, we only accept image files in specific formats. Please ensure all your image URLs in your inventory file are working correctly. For detailed information, visit Seller Central and search for the Product Image Requirements help page. Even when you've carefully prepared your product listings, you may still encounter errors after publishing. These are often due to Amazon policy violations. For example, a product available in your local store might violate compliance policies in other countries. Or, if your prices significantly exceed market rates, your listings will be deactivated to protect our customers. To check what issues your account may be facing, go to your Seller Central menu, navigate to Performance, and select Account Health to review the highlighted issues affecting your listings. Then click on any specific issue to access the recommended next steps. You can also use the search function to find specific help pages for more detailed guidance. Finally, we are always here to support your selling journey. Contact the Selling Partner Support team whenever you need assistance. Include screenshots, ASIN details, steps taken, and compliance verification for our reference. By understanding these common listing issues and troubleshooting methods, you'll be better equipped to maintain healthy, visible product listings. Lastly, you can also check out our other Seller University videos on AI-generated listings. Thank you and happy selling on the Amazon store.